great people, welcome again to Health Hub with T. So if you're new here, this is where we normally discuss all about your health, your wellness, your fitness, anything to do with medication. So kindly subscribe so that we can learn together about our health. So on today's video, we are going to do a demonstration on how to use a metered-dose inhaler using a spacer with a mask. So what is a spacer? It's just a device that we normally use mostly in children that will aid to deliver the medication to the lungs, the required amount of medication to the lungs. So it comes in different sizes according to age. There are those for smaller babies, there are for bigger babies, even for adults. So what I have here is for babies ages 1 year to 5 years. This is how it looks like. It has an opening where you normally place the inhaler. It has a chamber where the drug flows in until it gets to the valve. The valve normally opens when the child is breathing in and out, and it has a mask. So what do we do first? Remember, we said if you've just purchased the inhaler from the pharmacy or you've not used it at least for 2 weeks, we need to prime the inhaler. So we just do 2 puffs away from you. My inhaler is ready. The next step is you just shake the inhaler, then you place it at the end of the spacer. Then you're supposed to place the mask on the baby's face. Let's just assume this is the baby's face. So you just place it on the baby's face, covering the nose and the mouth, creating a near-tight seal, but don't cause any undue discomfort to the baby. Then after placing it on the baby's face, you press the canister to release 1 puff. Then you wait for the child to breathe in and out 10 times. Just to breathe in normally, you just wait for about 10 seconds. Most of the spacers, they normally have a valve up here, which will move up and down with the way the baby is breathing. So when it moves up and down, that's 1 breath, breathing in and out. So we count when it goes up and down, that's 1, up and down 2, up and down 3. So you can still count the movement of the valve up to 10 times. Still when the mask is still on the baby's, covering the baby's nose and the mouth. So let's say the doctor has said that we use 2 puffs. After you are done with the first puff, the baby has done the 10 breaths. Just remove it from the baby's face. You wait for 30 seconds to elapse. Then you repeat a second dose. You just remember every time before you do a puff, you need to shake it. So you shake it, you place it back, then you put it back on the baby's face, covering the nose and the mouth. Then you depress another puff, then you wait for 10 seconds to elapse. It's just that simple, and you've just done it. So something else that we need to remember, if we are using an inhaler that contains a steroid, we are supposed to just give the baby something to rinse, like water, just to gargle the mouth and spit it. If it's a small baby, we can even breastfeed the baby. If it's a bigger baby, they can even brush their teeth after using the inhaler. If it contains a steroid, it's very important because of the side effects of the steroids. And also we are supposed to wipe the area that was covered with the mask, this area on the nose and the mouth, so that we don't want to discolor the skin of the baby. We've discussed on how to use the inhaler with the mask. We have discussed about the precautions. Something else, how we need to take care of the device. We are supposed to wash it after 1 week of use. And also, if it's just visibly dirty, how do we do it? We just disassemble our spacer, we just put it in a basin containing warm water. We put a few drops of soap. We soak the chamber for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then after that, we just wash it in the same water. Then we rinse with cold, clean water and put it somewhere for it to dry. Remember, don't scrub inside, because if we scrub inside, we'll make our surfaces to become rough and the medication will start sticking on the sides, so it won't be of so much help to the baby. Instead of going to the lungs, now it will be sticking, most of it will be sticking on the walls. So kindly don't scrub it, and even when rinsing, don't wipe it with a towel, just let it air dry. I think that's all, and I'm hoping the video was helpful. So kindly subscribe, share, so that we can learn more about our health, medication, and all about our wellness. So until next time, ciao, and may God bless you.